Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of Bon Bon by BelleTress in the color Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. This wig intrigues me. It's got some very interesting layering. It's got a really interesting texture. When I'm playing with this and saying the word interesting, it makes me think of Bugs Bunny cartoons where he's like, you must meet some interesting people. But anyway, I think that this wig is really genuinely an interesting piece because it's a beautiful length. Like, this is like a great length for summer. Like, it's above the shoulders. It's like a little bit longer than chin length on me. I love this color, by the way, the Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. It's a little warmer than their Honey with Chai Latte. It's got some nice like caramel brown tones in it. But anyway, it's just got a really neat texture, you know, like surfer chic sort of. I dig it. I think it's kind of neat. It's definitely different. And when I first started selling wigs, I would have never thought I would be into something with this kind of texture, but I do. I think it's really cute, especially if you fluff it up a little bit. Like, I just think this is one of those wigs where if you make it look a little crazy and unkempt, it looks a lot better. So it's a neat wig. Let me go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see what Bon Bon looks like on all sides. The feel of the BelleTress fiber is very silky. It has a really light denier. It moves really well. It's very nice, and it really plays well with these sort of sloppy chic kind of textured cuts. This is a heat-friendly synthetic, so it's not nearly as shiny as traditional synthetics might be, which is why it looks so nice even in this indoor lighting. It's a little bit more than 3 ounces, so it's fairly lightweight on. The front is 6 inches. The sides are very layered, so the shortest layer is 4 inches. The nape is also 4 inches, and the overall length from the crown down is about 10.5 inches. This one also has a lace front on it. Now, the BelleTress lace fronts are not necessarily my favorite because they kind of go straight across, but they are very well done, like they're sturdy, and they do get the job done. I'm gonna go ahead and take Bon Bon off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So Bon Bon has a lace front. She also has a left side monofilament part. She also has permatease on the side of the top of the wig that's kind of catty corner to where the monofilament part insert is, and there's fuzzy felt lining the seam of all of these top features. There's also open wefting on the sides and in the back with a fair amount of hair coverage because you can see there's not much space in between the wefts here. There is felt here at the nape, but it is not an extended nape, and it adjusts a bit like a bra strap. And there's fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs, a little bit of metal in there, very nice. Here's what the top of Bon Bon looks like. And at the crown, we got a little bump of permatease, but not much. It's very slight. You can see that color and how pretty it is. It's a very dynamic, sort of in-between shade. It's sort of like in between a light brown, a light caramel brown, and a blonde. It's a very pretty color. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on now. This one's super easy to wear because she looks better when she's messy. So you just throw her on and go out the door. So this is the adorable little Bon Bon wig by BelleTress, which is basically like Italian roast's shorter sister. And the color on this has been Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any more. Check out my wig store if you get a chance. It's how we pay to keep all this stuff going. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.